Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to another video, or hey if you're new, my name is Ebony. So today's video I'm going to share with you my everyday makeup routine and just talking you through what's in my everyday makeup bag. It's crazy that this is my everyday makeup bag because, I mean, 2 years ago my everyday makeup bag was 3 makeup bags. I also just wanted to share with you the products that I use, being someone who is very acne prone and got very sensitive skin. So as you can see from this video and like my past videos, I go for a very natural makeup look. I just like to enhance my natural features and just look healthy and just natural, really. That is basically what I go for. So the first thing I like to do is concealer. Now, I don't wear foundation and I haven't done like for years. I've got videos on my channel about how to cover acne if you want to not wear foundation, so I'll leave those listed if you're interested in like a bit more of an in-depth video. Now, the reason for me not wearing foundation is, one, I actually don't like the feel of it. I don't like the feel of anything heavy on my skin, and also my skin's very sensitive to products like that, so it will clog easily, break out very easily from makeup. One of the biggest benefits I get from not wearing foundation is actually my overall skin tone has evened out naturally. I found that, I don't know if it's just like letting my skin like breathe every single day and not like covering up with loads of makeup. But anyway, I like to use the Tarte Amazonian Clay Concealer. So I use this little detail brush from Real Techniques and I literally just mix the colours together and just go in over any spots or any marks I have on my face. So the next thing that I tackle is my under eyes. So I like to use the Smashbox correcting stick in the colour Light, and then on top of my eyes, like on my lids, I've been using the Rimmel Match Perfection 2-in-1 Skin Tone Adapting Concealer and Highlighter in 01 Ivory. I like to put the Smashbox one just underneath my eyes where I have darkness and a little bit on the corners here, and then I pop this one on my lid. Now, I know that, you know, normally like everyone else would put the light one then on top of the corrector, but for me, I actually just use the corrector under my eye just to like even out a little bit of that darkness and not make it so intense, and then just call it a day and just like blend everything else out. The main reason for me doing this is because I'm trying not to put as much product underneath my eyes, because the underneath of your eye is so thin, and my mum's always told me not to put anything under there, especially when it comes to makeup, because I think her mum told her that. But definitely for the anti-aging purposes, I don't like to put loads of chemicals just underneath my eyes. I have actually also noticed that since not putting concealer on top of my corrector, my under eyes have actually been less dark in general, so there's that. Okay, so the next thing I do is my brows, and I've been using this for years. This is the Sleek Eyebrow Stylist in dark brown. I just use it on the outer corner of my brows. I do like get a little bit of sparseness on the outer corner, so I just like to fill them in and then maybe extend my brow a little bit. And then the second product that I like to use is the Maybelline Brow Precise in soft brown. It's a micro pencil, and I just use this sometimes just to like blend the product in with my brow a little bit more, because this one just gives like a different kind of brush stroke, and I just find it makes it look really natural, and again, perfect colour for my eyebrows. Sorry if this clip's a little bit out of sync. I literally just filmed all this and realised I just completely skipped past my mascara. But the mascara I'm using at the minute is the Cantecaille Longest Lash Mascara. Now, I know it is such an expensive mascara. It's literally like 60 quid. But the only reason I have it is because in one of my old jobs, we used to get a really good discount around Christmas time. So I used to treat myself to one of these mascaras. But now I don't work there anymore, so I will not be buying it again because I just can't afford £60 on a mascara. It has stuff in it which helps your eyelashes grow, and I do notice that when I use it, my lashes, I do love that mascara. It is a good one. Okay, so next I like to add a little bit of colour to my skin. This is actually a new product. I got this like last week and I'm obsessed with it. So this is the Bare Minerals Invisible Bronze in medium. It makes you look really healthy and gives you like a really nice flush of colour. But one thing when it comes to skin products is that if I'm gonna buy anything that's gonna go like actually on like my cheeks or my forehead, like any skin areas like that, I do look into the ingredients and really shop around before making my choice, because I try and get things that don't have many comedogenic like ingredients inside them. So this is talc and mica free. Okay, so we're nearly finished. So onto lips. The lip liner that I like to use is the NYX lip liner in mauve. It's like so small, I need to get a new one, but this is really inexpensive. It's practically the same colour as my lips, so I really love that one to line with. And then recently I found this in my drawer and I've been loving it, and again, it's by NYX. It's a soft matte lip cream in Cans, and what I like to do is I take a little bit, just swipe a bit on, and then use my finger to blend it out, and I just find it makes it kind of look like a flush of colour on your lips and like really natural, and I just really like it. So yeah, I've been loving that, and it complements like my skin tone very well. And and then also I put a little bit of lip balm on top because I like wearing lip balm all year round, but especially in the winter, really like to have my lips hydrated. And then lastly, I like to take the Smashbox highlighter palette. It's by Casey Holmes in Pearl, and I use the lightest shade in the palette, and I just pop a little bit in between my eyes, just in the inner corners, and it just brightens up your face and makes you look so much more awake. But anyway guys, that is my makeup routine and everything inside my makeup bag. I'll leave the products down below in the description box, and if you like this video, please smash that thumbs up button because it helps me out so much. If you haven't already, don't forget to click subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Mwah. Bye.